Are you still using yesterday's AI models? What if I told you there's a platform that delivers new models faster for half the price? Meet a new platform key and a new model that's living up to its name. Seedream 4.0, aka the Nano Banana Killer. We're not just creating images, we're slaying the competition. Let's go. We put two of the most powerful AI models to the test, using the exact same prompt and the exact same input images to see how they would perform. The results were night and day. In this example, we gave both models a prompt involving a deer and an iPhone 17. On the left, Seedream 4.0 created a stunning photorealistic image, where the deer is perfectly rendered and the iPhone looks completely authentic. Now compare that to what Nano Banana produced on the right. The deer is missing entirely and the iPhone model is incorrect. In the second example, we had the models generate a human figure wearing specific clothing. On the left, Seedream 4.0 created a beautifully rendered model with a natural-looking outfit. On the right, however, Nano Banana failed to complete the image, cutting off the bottom half of the outfit with a slightly lower fidelity. The difference in realism and details were insane, but what's even crazier? The nicer images on the left were generated at literally half the price of the ones on the right. First things first, you can get the entire workflow for free. Just head over to our Discord channel. The link is in the description down below, and then you can download the whole thing. Now, as soon as you upload it directly to your n8n workspace, you'll directly see the workflow like this. On the top branch of the flow is the new one that we're going to focus on for today. It uses Seedream 4.0 on a platform called Key. And the bottom branch is the exact same flow we introduced a few days ago, using Nano Banana model on the OpenRouter platform. If you missed that video, please make sure to check it out from the card above. So all you need are two images in a prompt. And once you finish uploading them, you just sit back and wait for both flows to complete. And when the workflow is done running, you may click on the last node from the flow on top. And that's basically how we got the amazing image at the beginning of the video. Then we can move on to look at the output from the old flow down below. So that's really simple, right? Now let's talk about the insane 50% price difference that I pointed out. That huge gap comes down to two things: the models themselves and the platforms. The Key platform is a game changer because it onboards new model much faster. For example, if you go to the Key website, which we'll put the link down below, you'll see the page for Seedream 4.0 is already live. But if you search for Seedream on OpenRouter, it's not even there. This means Key gets you access to the newest tech much quicker. But what about models that are on both platforms, like Nano Banana? We did a direct price check. Nano Banana is also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. And on Key, a single image request costs about $0.02. But on OpenRouter, the same model Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, look at our activity, it costs $0.0391 per request, which is nearly double. This table sums it up. Key is better for two main reasons. It onboards model faster, and for the same model, it's much cheaper. It's a win-win. But in terms of model diversity, OpenRouter has a massive library of models, including a wide range of text-based options. Key, however, is more specialized, focusing on the powerful image generation models. It may have a smaller selection compared to OpenRouter. So, if you're looking for the latest image models at the best price, Key is the way to go. If you need a huge variety of models, especially for text, then OpenRouter is a solid choice. Alright, let's zoom in on the models themselves. When it comes to image quality, Nano Banana gives you solid results. But Seedream 4.0 takes it to another level. As you saw in our examples, it creates a more complete scene with delicate textures and details that Nano just didn't achieve. And for angle and perspective, Nano Banana is fine, but Seedream feels more natural and dynamic, giving you a better overview, lighting, shadow, etc. And on consistency, Both are good at following instructions, but Seedream goes even further, producing a more complete and coherent image. The table shows how they stack up, and the final point is the most important: price. So even though Seedream delivers a more polished image, in my opinion, it is still cheaper than Nano Banana. So why don't we go for top tier quality at lower price? That's the best thing in the world, right? This was just a quick look at the power of Seedream model, which is currently only available on the Keep platform. We've made it super simple to get started, but if you want to dive deep into how and why this all works, the asynchronous tasks, the unique API calls, how all these nodes are constructed, we have a second, more technical video just for you. So that's it. Hope you like it. Click on the link to watch the technical deep dive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.